1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. There's a free printable for you to do both parts, the chords and the melody, down below. You don't have to sign up for anything, no email addresses, nothing. Just grab the printable. It's on a Google document. In this video, I've been playing the Enya Nova ukulele. This is a waterproof carbon fiber and plastic ukulele that comes with strap buttons, a strap, a capo, and a gig bag. I will link it down below because I think if you get it and it comes in different colors, you'll be really happy with it. If you would like to see more play-alongs like this one, let me know by commenting down below. And please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel before you go. I'll see you in the next one. Sayonara.